Hey guys, my name is Khalid. I'm the founder and the CEO of a Saudi-based edtech startup called AlGooru. We've been using the software solution services of Limenzy for almost 3 years now. We've hired them on several projects internally for website development, backend solutions, and systems architecture. And besides that, I have the privilege to recommend and refer Vipin and Varun specifically to several friends of mine from the MENA region where I'm currently based. And we've always gotten excellent feedback on their turnover, on their solid, affordable quotations, and obviously on the quality of the end work. So I highly recommend and endorse and vouch their services, and wishing them all the best as always. Thank you.